The next question is from Hassan Pathan from Kashmir. Sir, how can we contribute financially for your organization? Is it legal to contribute from India? A similar question was posed by QQ Mrs. Noor from Dubai. Assalamu alaikum. Kindly help, how can I donate to Peace TV? I tried doing it from its website but failed twice. The basic question is that how can they contribute to the organization, Islamic Research Foundation International UK, or can contribute to Peace TV. And one of the ways is you can go to our website, and once you go to the website of Peace TV, the account number is given and you can contribute. And I'm aware that when you transfer, especially after 9/11, it has become more difficult to contribute to Islamic organizations, and especially if it's outside your country, it becomes more difficult. So when people try, they are not successful, and therefore they're trying to prevent all the dawah activities, those who don't want Islam to spread. If you can go to the website, it's legal to contribute to the organization. You can contribute even to Peace TV. The thing is there, the account is there. But those people who really are wanting to help, and somehow or the other they get in touch with me, that because of the restrictions that are there from the various, and we as a policy, we always believe that we follow the rule of the country. In India, whatever we accepted was officially in our trust account. If we accept in UK, we accept in the official trust account. We believe in following the rules and regulation of the country so that we do not break the law of the country, so that we can do dawah freely. But in spite of this following the rules, the enemies of Islam are after us. They're trying to see that the Muslim organizations don't get the funding. They're putting pressure on the banks. They're putting pressure on the organizations. So in this case, but naturally a businessman who is really rich, he knows the situation because he's a rich businessman. He's a millionaire or a multimillionaire. He's a billionaire. He knows the difficulty because he's doing business. So in this case, the businessman who really wants to help a dai, who really wants to help me, they get in touch with me. And very easy, people know where I am. And once they get in touch with me, they find out which is a very legal way to contribute without causing problem to the enemies of Islam. To contribute in big amounts. And many people call me for lunch, and for dinner, and for meal, and for every meal they give huge amounts and big amounts, alhamdulillah. So those who really want to contribute, they come and meet me. When I was in Bombay, they used to come to Bombay. When I'm in Dubai, they used to come to Dubai. When I was in Saudi, they used to come in Saudi. When I'm in Malaysia, they come to meet me in Malaysia. They come and meet, and we see an amicable way which is legal without getting into problems, and yet they want to hide the identity, which is good, no problem. So what we realize that those really big people who want to support any activity, whether it be DAI, whether it be me, whether it be Peace TV, whether it be other, because they're in the field, they know how to get in touch. They get in touch and they support. They can get in touch with my friends, they can get in touch with me. It's very easy in the age of science and technology today. The whole world is a global village. But for those people who are not so well versed, and maybe an average common Muslim wants to contribute, you try it through the website, through the channel, official channel. If you cannot, my advice to you would be, you can always contribute to a dawah organization in your country. If you cannot contribute to Peace TV, you cannot contribute to Islamic Research Foundation International, what do? You search for the dawah organization in your country, in your city, Google it, do a little bit research and contribute to them. You will get double sawab. You will get sawab for helping them and getting sawab for helping us also. And your sawab will not be reduced because I told you that. So they will get sawab. The people who you contribute to, they will thank you, they will do dua, even I will do dua. The main aim of ours is to spread the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But see to it that the organization is authentic organization, it's a genuine organization, doesn't take time to do research and contribute. Inshallah, I will think the amount has reached me because our main purpose is to spread the message of Islam. If you're contributing to another dawah organization, indirectly you're contributing to us and we will get the sawab. Hope that's the question.